Hi, guys. Look, we've got mothers and their little kids. How cute they're together. Oh no, the kids have run away. We need to find them. Where can the little ones be hiding? Maybe they're inside this house. Let's use the keys and check it out. The yellow key for the yellow lock. There's a yellow pig inside. Let's use the blue key for the blue lock. Wow, it's a blue bear! And there's something else. Fish! But that's not what we need. The pink key for the pink door. There's a pink mouse inside. And a puzzle piece. Woohoo! It's a kitty! Go back to your mom, little kitty. All kittens have blue eyes at birth and can purr right away to show they're happy. Another animal puzzle. It's a sheep. This is a rooster. It's a goose. And this is a rabbit. A duck! This is a cow. And this guy is a farmer. But where's this animal? Mr. Farmer, do you know where this animal is? Could you bring it back, please? Will the farmer find the animal, friends? Woohoo! Thank you, Mr. Farmer. We've got another puzzle piece. It's a foal. It's a horse's baby. Foals can run just a few hours after birth, and they drink lots of milk. This game looks fun. What animal does this pattern belong to? A giraffe. How about this pattern? It's a butterfly. Next one. It's a sheep. Yellow and black stripes? They belong to a bee. How about these spots? It's a cow. Next one. This is a fish. Do you know this pattern? It's a ladybug. Next. Right, it's a zebra. How about this one? It belongs to a turtle. The puzzle is complete. Now what? I want to try something. It doesn't work. I'll try again. Again, nothing. One last try. It worked! This is a calf! A calf is a cow's baby. Baby cows are playful, curious, and can walk and stand soon after birth. Whoa, what do we have here? Do you think we should check what's inside? Will we find another animal in here? What do you think? Seems like there's nothing. Wait a second. It's a little bear. Let's keep digging. It's a worm. I think we'll definitely find something else. Am I wrong? There's really nothing? Guys, it feels like there's another puzzle piece somewhere here. Here it is. It's a piglet. Let's take it back to its mama pig. Piglets are social babies that love to snuggle, play, and cuddle with their family. We gotta put this puzzle together. This is the head. Help me find this piece. Here it is. Fits perfectly. Now the hind paws. Right here. And the tail. Here it is! The next pup must be this piece. That's right. Let's find the hind paws. Easy. And one more dog. Which piece first? Let's start with the head. Now we need the body. Awesome. Good job, guys, but now what? Any ideas? I think I know. Dogs love bones. It worked. Gotcha. It's a puppy. A puppy is a dog's kid. Puppies have baby teeth just like humans. They also sleep a lot and are very playful. I love this worm game. Yellow. And another yellow worm. This worm is blue. Another blue worm. Green. This worm is green too. A red worm. Red worm number 2. An orange worm. This worm is orange too. Look at these babies, friends. They came to peck worms. They're chickens. Their mom is this hen. Chickens are dinosaurs' relatives. Also, moms talk to their babies in eggs. Good job, guys. The babies and their moms are now together. Well done. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.